Hi, my name is Maria Matheny, Product Strategy Director for Oracle Transportation and Global Trade Management Cloud. I'm excited to announce new features in Update 20A, which continues our long history of investment in creating best-in-class transportation and global trade management applications. Today, I'll highlight three key areas: logistics network modeling, trade agreements, and REST services. In this update, we continue to expand the capabilities in logistics network modeling. Logistics network modeling provides a simple and convenient way to perform strategic and tactical analysis of your transportation network using real-world operational data. New enhancements in logistics network modeling further expand the set of business objects that users can choose when applying scenario data changes, giving users more power and flexibility to model and fine-tune logistics networks. For each modeling scenario, the new Modeling Shipment screen provides a comprehensive and intuitive user interface to view the resulting shipment plan. This update enables data import and export between servers and between domains. Users can now extract order data, planning data, and scenario data, and rerun the plan or recreate the plan on a different server or domain. In this update, we have also added the capability to reflect planned or forecasted changes to the order flow. Users can easily create additional copies of orders or remove orders from consideration in the scenario plan. In Oracle Global Trade Management, we continue to focus on expanding support for trade agreements. In 20A, we extended the workflow to perform automated analysis of transactions. You can now use the information from your supplier solicitations to automatically identify the correct trade program and populate any required data elements. To improve productivity, we have also enhanced the tariff eligibility screening action, so you can review many records simultaneously. If you'd like to be a little less hands-on, the system can also perform automated batch screening. This uses workflow to help identify trade programs of interest to follow up on with your suppliers. Campaign management was enhanced to create campaigns directly from the item finder, set automated reminders to be sent to your suppliers, and provide a new campaign workbench for managing everything. Also new is an out-of-the-box certificate of origin sample, and we hope to add more in the future. In 20A, we continue to invest in expanding OTM and GTM REST API services. These public REST APIs are used to access data stored in OTM and GTM to construct user interface and business process integrations to other systems. Also new in 20A is the ability to search with child criteria that is one level down. This is very useful, for example, when you want to search for a shipment number with a particular ref num or find a location with a specific remark. JSON patch is added for all resources supporting Update 20A. This lets you replace a target resource to modify a property at both top level and child tables. For example, you can make updates to things like ship unit, quantity, or weights, which are child lines of an order release. Add tracking event is now available as a reference resource to get tracking events for shipments, equipment, driver, and more. For example, you can get tracking events of equipment with a particular code such as damaged. I hope you enjoyed learning about the new features in this update. There are many more enhancements and new capabilities in OTM and GTM in 20A. For more information on 20A and additional resources on OTM or GTM, you can always reference these links and visit oracle.com. Thank you for watching.